This KNIPEX multiple slip joint spanner covers a very wide range of nut and bolt sizes, making it an extremely versatile replacement for several individual wrenches in one tool. The self-locking design on larger fasteners means you can apply strong turning force without the jaws slipping or needing to squeeze the handles uncomfortably hard. Its precisely machined jaws grip hexagonal heads firmly without play, which greatly reduces the risk of rounding corners even on stubborn fasteners. Because it can bite securely onto rounded, corroded, or heavily coated bolts, it is especially useful for maintenance work on older machinery and vehicles. The overall construction feels solid and well-balanced in the hand, with the typical KNIPEX fit and finish that stands up to demanding daily use. At roughly 25 centimeters in length, it offers a good blend of leverage and control, remaining compact enough to fit in a tool bag or on a belt without being cumbersome.